Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Christmas is fast approaching, and if you're an entertainment coordinator in St. James, well, you may need a CCTV camera at your event. At least that's the policy the police and the St. James Municipal Corporation are pushing for. They say this initiative is for increased safety and security under the state of public emergency in the parish. TVJ's Kalisha Williams explains.
The festive season is near and people are beginning to gear up. But in areas like St. James, which have been declared a state of public emergency, it will not be business as usual. At least that's according to Mayor of Montego Bay, Homer Davis. Party promoters and business operators are already operating under restricted hours. And if that's not enough,
we will be requiring the promoters to have cameras affixed at these locations to protect their patrons, as also to assist the police if in case there is a problem.
Mayor Davis explained there will be all hands on deck to ensure that entertainment coordinators and the business operators remain compliant during the Christmas period. He, however, says this initiative is not to deter the activities the season usually brings.
So we are saying to our promoters and operators of place of amusement, are those who are just having just a little party for the Christmas, that they are to come in early and apply so the various due diligence can be done. And if they are found fit and proper, then I'm sure that the police would not hesitate to issue that permit.
It comes at a time things are relatively calm in the parish, with a 68% reduction in murders. But the police are still not satisfied.
We're happy for the multi-agency approach, and we realize that the police cannot do this by ourselves. So we're seeking the assistance of all parties involved, to include our citizens, to ensure that our plans, not just for the Yuletide season, but our plans to secure the parish of St. James, will continue to work.
The Senate recently gave the approval for the state of emergency in St. James to be extended for an additional 3 months. It will continue to January 31, 2019. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.